Friends, our hi friends. Our next topic is paddy. Paddy means rice, chokha. Rice, how rice is useful for us? Rice is a major cereal crop of India. It is grown in the torrid zone. It is the second largest producer of rice after China. India, second second largest producer after China. First is China, second India. India export rice to United States and United Arab Emirates. Rice is a kharif crop, but if there is irrigation facilities, it can be grown even in summer. This is done in states like Haryana and Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. Next important topic is wheat, king of grain. Wheat is the most important edible crop of world. It is more nutritious than other food grain. Many items can be made out of like roti, paratha, biscuits, bread, cakes, etc. You know very well. Wheat is a staple food of the people of Northwest India. So it is considered the king of food grains. Dear students, keep in mind king of food grain. Who is wheat? Wheat is the king of grains. Okay. Our next topic is jowar. So jowar is not important, but let's see what is jowar. Jowar is the third most important crop in items, area and productions. It can be grown in dry and areas of less rainfall. It is both kharif and rabi crop. So jowar is not important. Next is the millet. Millet is also next is our maize. Millet is important. Maize is also not important. But let's see. It is maize used for making edible oil. It is used for making snacks like popcorn. Snacks are not snacks. Snack like popcorn and cornflakes. It also used in industrial production. Okay. Next important topic is pulses. Pulses. Pulses are very important. Pulses are grown in all states except where rainfall is more. What is pulses? Tuvar, mug, gram, peas, bean, mud, udad, pulses. Pulses are main source of protein for vegetarian people. Gram, peas and lentil. Lentil means masoor are rabi crops. Major pulses production states are MP, it means Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, UP, Maharashtra, Odisha, Bihar and Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Our next topic. After pulses, which topic is important for us? Let's see pulses, and our next topic is our oil seeds. Oil seeds, dear students, you know. Oil seeds, first groundnut. It requires black soil, loamy and sandy soil, which will not retain water. Temperature is required 20 to 25 degree Celsius, and it's rainfall of 50 to 70 centimeter. If there is irrigation facility, it can be also in summer. In Gujarat grows Junagadh, Gir Rajkot, Amreli, Bhavnagar and Somnath district. Okay, grows groundnuts. Okay, dear students. Next is sesame. Sesame means til. Sesame is a kharif crop, while South India it's a rabi crop and occasionally zaid crop also. It has more content of oil than other oil seeds. India export maximum sesame in the world. Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Gujarat ranks first in India in terms of sesame production in the area sown. Next word is mustard. This is not important, but castor and coconut you know very well, dear students. Okay, our next topic is tea and coffee. These both plant. Okay, tea and coffee. Tea is a beverage crop and its details are soil. Which type of soil? A sloping soil with iron content where water flows down. Temperature to 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall to 100 centimeter. Water should not remain stagnant and roots. It will damage the crop. Who grows tea? Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Assam and Uttar Pradesh. Assam and West Bengal produce about 75% tea of the nations. Okay, next is coffee. Our next topic is coffee. Cotton. Cotton is very important, dear students. Please underline cotton. Cotton requires black lava soil with mineral contents which can retain moisture for a long time. It requires rainfall 30 to 70 centimeters. Is temperature the hot and humid climate 20 to 35 degrees Celsius. It is kharif cash crop. Cotton is a kharif cash crop. It requires 6-8 months to grow. It's called white gold. India's white gold cotton. The white gold is its second name. The BT cotton seeds have helped into increase productions. India is the second largest producer of cotton crop after China. In every crop, China is first and India is second. Places means Gujarat, Haryana, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. Gujarat stand first in India for cotton productions. In country level, second rank, but in our country, India take stand in first rank. Okay. Our next topic, cotton after our sugarcane. So sugarcane is also not important, but let's see what is in sugarcane, how sugarcane is useful for us. Sugarcane is take temperature 20 to 27 degrees Celsius. Soil, which type of soil is used for sugarcane? The black fertile alluvial lava soil of flood plains and delta is most suitable for sugarcane. Rainfall is needed 75 to 100 centimeter. And places Punjab, Haryana, UP, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat and Bihar. Uttar Pradesh is at the top in area sown, but Maharashtra leads in the productions. In Gujarat, production of sugarcane is done the most in South, Gujarat and Saurashtra. Okay. Our next is jute. Jute is very important. Jute, which type of soil is alluvial deltic soil. Rainfall 100 centimeter. Temperature 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. Places is West Bengal, Bihar, UP, Odisha, Assam. The jute fiber is called golden fiber. India has a strong competition with cheap laborers of Bangladesh in jute industry. The delta of the river Ganga in West Bengal production maximum jute in India. Gunny bags, mattresses, ropes, bags, slippers and handicraft articles are made from it. Next one is tobacco, and it's very important. Tobacco need 100 centimeter rainfall. Its temperature 20 degrees Celsius. Soil loamy soil. The quality of tobacco depends on the type of soil and climate. Major countries in the world which grow and export tobacco are China, Brazil, India and USA. In India, it is grown in Kuga, Karnataka, UP, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. If you forgot to state's name, just remind it. Kuga, K for Karnataka, UP, G for Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. Gujarat is grown region in Anand and Kheda. Also grown in Mehsana, Vadodara and Panchmahal also. About 80% of BDs made tobacco in India are produced in Gujarat. So tobacco is also important topic. Okay. Next our topic is rubber. Rubber is also important. Please underline. Rubber is rubber. Yes, rubber is rainfall, heavy rainfall and temperature is hot and humid climate. Places like Kerala, Karnataka, Assam, Tamil Nadu and Tripura. It is used to manufacture industrial products like tires and tubes. Malaysia ranks first in the world in rubber productions. India is fifth major rubber production country of the world. Next is masalas and spices. Means everything, every type of masala means condiments or spices are not needed. Next is our fruits and flowers. So so not needed to discuss about it. Our next topic is state the made in agrarian field. So this topic is not important. Last important topic is our green revolution. Yes, dear students, our last and important topic is green revolution. Let's see what is in green revolutions. Yes, the change which have taken place, it sees fertilizers and farm implements in India are known as technical reforms. Before green revolutions, there was an acute shortage of food grains in the country. The huge increases agriculture productions with the help improved seeds, chemical fertilizers, mechanical equipment, intense efforts of the farmers, electricity, and improved facilities in irrigation is known as green revolution. There has been record productions of wheat and paddy due to green revolution. Today, the country does not have to import food grains; it is self-sufficient. The country maintains a buffer stock to tide over drought period successfully. The country will have to have another green revolution to reach the stage where other countries have progress in agriculture. So, guys, here we complete our unit 10. A question answer I will listen in next lecture. Okay, thank you.